A disturbing incident has once again exposed Pakistan's deep-rooted religious intolerance. Recently, a violent mob in Karachi attacked a place of worship belonging to the Ahmadi Muslim community, a group banned from practicing Islam under Pakistani law. One man was brutally lynched and dozens trapped inside the building were left fearing for their lives. Here's the full report. In Karachi's southern neighborhood, chaos and brutality played out in broad daylight. A mob of nearly 200 people descended on a building used by the Ahmadiyya community for worship. Armed with bricks and sticks, the crowd beat 47-year-old car workshop owner to death, a killing confirmed by local police.
कुछ अर्से पहले यहाँ पे बाकायदा अजान दी जाती थी, जो यहाँ के लोगों ने बहुत टाइम पहले एहतिजाज करके वो अजान का मामला ख़त्म करवा दिया। फिर हमने एक मुकदमा कायम किया कि ये गुंबद मीनार वगैरह बने हुए ये मस्जिद की मुशाबियत रखते हैं, इसको ख़त्म किया जाए। उस पर अभी केस जारी है, लेकिन यहाँ के मुस्तहिल मुसलमानों ने खुद आकर अपने तौर पर इसको तोड़ दिया।
Ahmadis consider themselves Muslim, but their belief in a messianic figure after Prophet Muhammad has drawn the ire of religious hardliners in Pakistan. Since 1974, Pakistan's constitution has labelled them non-Muslims. In 1984, a draconian ordinance criminalized their religious practices, making it illegal for Ahmadis to call themselves Muslim, refer to their places of worship as mosques, or even use Islamic greetings. Islamist groups like Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan (TLP) are often at the forefront of such campaigns, using mob pressure and legal loopholes to attack minority communities with impunity. The Pakistani state, instead of upholding justice, often buckles under pressure from fundamentalist groups. In 2023, in the city of Jarawala, dozens of churches and homes belonging to Christians were ransacked following a baseless accusation of blasphemy. In many such cases, authorities failed to prevent or punish the perpetrators.
सिर्फ इतनी डिमांड कर रहे हैं कि यहाँ के जिम्मेदारान के खिलाफ कानूनी कार्रवाई की जाए, इस जगह को मुकम्मल तौर पर सील किया जाए और जब तक इसका कानूनी फैसला नहीं आ जाता, इस जगह को मुकम्मल तौर पर बंद रखा जाए।
Pakistan's blasphemy laws, among the harshest in the world, are frequently misused against minorities. According to the Ahmadi community, at least 335 of its members have been charged under these laws, which carry the death penalty. Even the country's highest court has failed to stand firm. In 2023, Pakistan's Supreme Court was forced to reverse a progressive ruling that would have allowed Ahmadis to worship freely, following weeks of violent street protests and threats against top judges.
So this blasphemy law is protected by the jihadi rhetoric of the military generals as well as by the courts. No court has the guts or the courage to overturn a sentence from a lower court, which is issued from a lower court, and then there is an appeal made against it in a higher court. The higher court does not have the guts, the courage, or even the moral authority to overturn that decision in favor of the victim, because they know that they will be the next in line if they do so.
With roughly 10 million adherents globally, the Ahmadiyya community remains one of the most persecuted Muslim sects in the world. In Pakistan, they are denied the right to vote as Muslims, cannot go on the Hajj pilgrimage, and are barred from public expressions of faith. For many, even calling themselves Muslim is a crime. Despite Pakistan's repeated commitments to religious freedom in international forums, such incidents reveal a stark reality. Intolerance is written into the law. and mobs are emboldened by the silence or complicity of the state.